I would now like to request Shri Rajan Satadekar, Director of Transport and Member Secretary, STA, to formally welcome the gathering and also say a few words.
Warm welcome for all the dignitaries here, my colleagues, both the deputy directors, Prahlad and Ivo, assistant directors, Mr. Francis, accounts officer Kanekar, and well knowledgeable faculty and training team consisting of 3 assistant directors who are also member secretaries of various RTAs. Balchandra Sawant from Bicholim, Rajesh Naik is ADT Vasco, and Mr. Jack, ADT Enforcement North. I welcome the dignitaries and participants in the audience here, all the members, non-official members of STA and RTA. I welcome OSD to Honorable Minister Ethel and all the staff of Minister's Office. I welcome media, electronic and print for this short launch of this program. I am happy to say that this is the first time in the first ever program of orienting the nominated members of STA RTA is being conducted. This is the initiative of Goa government. Government wants a lot of trainings to happen, lot of capacity building to happen, so that government functions more efficiently, effectively, and reaches to masses with its aims and objective. This STA, RTA are quasi-judicial authorities. These are not committees. Okay, these are constituted under the statute, and it is consisting of chairman. Of course, this will be covered in the program, member secretary, and the members across Goa. We have 10 sub offices and headquarters. There is a STA. I am happy to meet all of you here. It so happens like officials functions at various sub offices, and even the last members I could not meet. So it's a good moment. I am seeing all the members together, and all the members also will be meeting together on this occasion. And also there will be learning about the functioning of this RTA and STA from the law point of view, so that the members can contribute better, and which will help better governance. Okay, so once again I welcome all of you, and soon quickly we will head for a session. Honorable Transport Minister was supposed to be the chief guest, but due to some commitment, suddenly yesterday there was a travel plan and he is not in Goa now. So my apologies for this. It would have been, whenever he is there, it's an inspiration for us. So we are missing him. So again, welcome, and let's head for the sessions.
Thank you, sir, for this warm welcome. I will now share a brief profile of all the non-official members of the State Transport Authority and Regional Transport Authority, which have been reconstituted on 29/12/2020. When I call out their names, they are requested to stand up, please.
So that we get to see each other.
State Transport Authority for Goa.
You can raise your hand.
Shri Pramod Prabhakar Kamath Merces is a BCom graduate, a businessman by profession, and president of Goa Hiking and Mountaineering Association. Shri Sebastião Damião Pereira Vasco, he is a Sarpanch of Chikali Village Panchayat, Daboli constituency. Shri Vishwas P. Savan Desai, Kakoda, Kuchade, member of Ravindra Bhavan, Kuchade, councillor and ex-chairperson of the municipality. Thank you. Now we go to the regional transport authorities. The regional transport authority from Panjim, Sanjeev S. Naik, businessman by profession. Regional transport authority from Mapsa, Shri Vinay Vittal Choprekar, Pomurpa, a treasurer of Bharat Swabhiman Nyas, North Goa, trustee of Gomantak Gau Sevak Mahasangh, CKD Mayam and Jnandeep Pratishthan, CEO Aadhar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited, Harmal Perne. Regional Transport Authority for Bicholi, Shri Sashikant Savan Bicholi, working in a private firm and master's degree in commerce, Goa University. Regional Transport Authority for Perne, Shri Tulsidas Gavas Perne, hotelier by profession, Punch member Village Panchayat Chandel, treasurer of Football Association of Goa. Regional Transport Authority for Margao, Shri Paresh Pandurang Naik, Davoli Naveli, businessman by profession, Punch member Village Panchayat Davoli Dikarpalli, ECS member. Regional Transport Authority for Vasco, Shri Sanjay Vaman Naik, President of Airport Taxi Union Association. Regional Transport Authority for Kepe, Shri Sanjay Arjun Velip, ex-Punch member Village Panchayat. Regional Transport Authority for Kankona, Shri Anil Pandurang Kamath, teacher by profession and is teaching in Shri Damodar High School, Lolien, Secretary of Seva Sankalp Girls Hostel, Kankona, Committee member of Lok Vishwas Prasthan, Kankona, Director of Boys Hostel, Secretary of Lolien Urban Cooperative Society, Kankona. Regional Transport Authority for Darbandra, Shri Gangaram T. Lambar, Darbandra, social worker, Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Kolai, President of Shetkari Sangatna Kolai. Regional Transport Authority for Ponda, Shri Nandakumar Kundalik Dangi Ponda, working in MRF and is a social worker. Let's give them all a big hand. Now I request two representatives of one each from the State Transport Authority and RTA. Okay, I will now request all the members to come forward and receive the training kit consisting of the MD Act and rules, Goa MD rules and taxation rules from the hands of the Director of Transport and Chairman of the State Transport Authority. Shri Pramod Prabhakar Kamath, Shri Sebastian Damião Pereira, Shri Vishwas P. Savan Desai.
Wrong calendar. Yeah.
The backlight is okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pramod Prabhakar Kamath, STA member. Vishwas P. Savan Desai, STA member. RTA Mapsa, Vinay Vittal Choprekar. RTA Pernem, Tulsidas Gaus. RTA Margao, Paresh Pandurang Naik. RTA Vasco, Sanjay Vaman Naik. RTA Kepe, Sanjay Arjun Velip. RTA Kankon, Anil Pandurang Kamath. RTA Darbandra, Gangaram T. Lambar. RTA Ponda, Nandakumar Pundalik Dahi.
Return na daw.
Thank you. Now we shall begin the main orientation program, which will consist of the structure of the department, functioning and role of the State Transport Authority and Regional Transport Authority, followed by interaction. I now call upon Shri Rajesh B. Naik, Assistant Director of Transport Vasco, to take over from me.
You can everybody can just sit in front. So, partner, I am going to show you. I am going to show you.